Harbor Freight just dropped some new super coupons. It starts today, July 6th, and runs until July 19th. I will have a link down in the description below that'll take you right to the coupons right on the website so you can check them all out. But I'm going to show you the top deals to consider in this video. And first, I do want to mention there was some other channels that actually posted the deals in advance. Harbor Freight actually took away a deal, at least one that I noticed, because there was going to be a deal on the US General 5-drawer service cart. It was going to be priced at $199, and it was going to be an excellent deal on it, and it was going to be the same price that they had during the parking lot sale of this last month, and indeed they took that deal away. So just want to make sure you're aware of that up front, and let's get started into the deals. Now, I did check Reddit when I came back from the store and started editing this video. Someone did post the coupon image on Reddit and mentioned some people were actually able to use the coupon. So you could take a screenshot here and see if it'll work for you, but it does seem to be hit or miss as far as it working or not, but just let you know that up front, but it's worth a shot anyways. All right, first up, which is going to be a good deal, it's going to be on the Bauer 5 amp drywall sander. It's a variable speed one. It's a 9-inch one. It has a hook and loop pad to it. It has a dust collection to it with a port that you hook up to a shop vac to collect the dust from the drywall sanding. It also has a built-in LED light ring, so it makes it easier to see where you need to sand at. And this is normally priced at $149, and you'll be able to pick it up for $100, which is saving $50 on that, and that's 33% off. It's an excellent deal, and this is similar deals that we've seen on this drywall sander in the past, so they've had this deal multiple times. But without a doubt, the features that this has with the telescoping handle and the LED light ring and the dust collection, I think it's a solid pickup at $100, especially compared to other models out there. And they brought in a good deal on the Grant's Dirt Guard. It goes into the bottom of a bucket, perhaps a free Harbor Freight bucket that you might have picked up, and which, speaking of, they're going to have a free bucket weekend this coming weekend. It'll be a minimum purchase of $30 for non-ITC members and free with any purchase for ITC members. So it might be a good pickup to go ahead and get this and then get the free bucket this coming weekend. This helps trap dirt on the bottom part of the bucket if you're doing car washing with it. The normal retail price on that is $8, and you'll be able to pick it up for $5, which is saving 37% on that. That is a good deal on it, even compared to the last month's parking lot sale where it was 40% off. So still good savings at 37% off. All right, the next deal is going to be on a Hercules 9 amp surface conditioning tool. This is the corded one, and it has a 6-speed control dial here on the handle, and it has a lock-on trigger. It does come with a 40 grit drum, and we've seen multiple deals on this in the past as well. It is normally priced at $140, and you'll be able to pick that up for $100. That's saving $40, which is 29% off. It's an excellent deal. And they did recently come out with the cordless version, which I did feature in a new tools video recently. And the cordless version retails at $150. So it is $10 more, and it is tool only, no batteries included. And the next deal is a great deal. It's on the Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit sander, which is missing the bottom pad there. It would have a hook and loop pad on it. It is also variable speed on the control dial here on the handle part right here. Then it has an on-off switch on the front. So this goes from 0 to 13,000 oscillatings per minute. And the retail price at this store is $38, but based on the coupon, it does say that the normal retail price is $40. And based on the coupon, you can save 50% off on that and pick it up for only $20. It's an awesome deal for a 5-inch random orbit sander. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And also be sure to subscribe for more tool deal videos like this. Now let's go to the next deal. Next good deal is going to be on the Hercules 7-piece titanium impact rated drill bit set. And it's titanium, ranges from size 1/8 of an inch up to 3/8 of an inch. They do have the hex shank to them, so you could use an impact driver since they are impact rated. And you're able to drill into metal, angle iron, wood, and plastic with them. And here's a look at the back of the package. It looks like a decent drill bit set. Normal retail price on it is $13, and you'll be able to pick it up for $9. That's saving 30% off on those, so it'll be a good pickup, and it's a limit of 4. All right, next deal is going to be on the Chicago Electric 10-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw. It does offer a max crosscut capacity of 12 inches, and you can miter 45 degrees to the left and right with it. The normal retail price on that is $150. And you'll be able to pick this up for 110 bucks and save 27% on that, which is $40 off. It's a good deal. And I have heard mixed reviews from you guys, whether it's good or bad. So maybe take a look at the reviews online and know for sure. But it is going to be one of their cheapest options, especially for a sliding compound miter saw. Next deal is going to be on the Hercules 2.4 amp quarter sheet sander. And this is rated at 15,000 oscillatings per minute. It has a 10-foot power cord. Normal retail price on that is 45 bucks. And you'll be able to pick this up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 33% on that one. It's an awesome deal. Next up is the Burger Welding Chipping Hammer. Retail price on that is 6 bucks. And you'll be able to pick this up for 4 bucks. That is saving 33% on that one. And they're having a great deal on the Harbor Freight brand of the Super Glue Gel. It's a 10-pack of them. This is going to be a better deal than the Dollar Days deal that they have going on for the 3-pack of them. So this retails at $4.99, and you'll be able to save 60% on that and pick it up for only 2 bucks. Be a much better deal compared to the dollar for the 3-pack versus $2 to get a 10-pack of them. And they have a couple decent deals on the Bremen brand of both the 9-inch locking welding clamp as well as the 8-inch sheet metal clamp. They each retail for $11.99, and you'll be able to save 25% off on each of them. So the locking welding clamp is 9 bucks, $9 for the 8-inch sheet metal clamp. So good deals there on the Bremen. And they do have a deal on the Apache of the 9800 series weatherproof protective case to help protect your paper hole punchers. This is their largest case that they offer. It's priced normally at 150 bucks, and you'll be able to save 20% off on that, which is $30 off, and you can pick it up for 120. Since it is only 20% off, we have seen better deals on these cases before, as low as like 100 bucks, and other times where they had them at 40% off. So make sure you're aware of that. There might be better deals on Apache cases in the future, just like they did in the past. And they have decent savings on this Voyager 12-inch tool bag. It has a 24-pound capacity. It has 15 inside pockets and 6 outside pockets. And this is something we've seen deals on in the past, and the normal retail price on that is 8 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 5 bucks, which is saving 37% on that. We've seen deals on this in the past that were right around the 50% off mark, just so you're aware of that. Next up is the Yukon 5-tier storage rack. It's 6 feet tall, and it's 14.5 inches between the shelves, and the max shelf capacity is 150 pounds. They don't have a full display of it here at the store. This comes bundled up, and the normal retail price is 60 bucks for it. And you'd be able to pick it up for 40 bucks, which is saving 33% on that. So it is a good deal. Next deal is going to be on the Storehouse brand of the 40 bin organizer with the full length drawer on the bottom part here. So there's a full length one, and then all the little small individual compartments with transparent windows. It's made of a high impact plastic. The normal retail price is 20 bucks. You'll be able to pick it up for 15 bucks, which is saving 25% on that one. Next deal is going to be on the Maddox 4-way valve stem core tool. Has a core tool here that allows you to replace the little valve stem needles. It's a handy tool to have, especially when the valve stem starts to leak. It actually comes with 4 replacement ones. Normal retail price is $2.49, and you'll be able to pick it up for $1.79, which is saving 28% on that one. Another Maddox deal, it's going to be on the universal locking lug nut removal set. It has 22 millimeter, 21, 19, and 17 millimeter. It comes in a hard plastic storage case. Retail price is 45 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 30 bucks, and that's saving 33% on that one. And they brought on another deal on the Maddox 12-volt high-performance inflator. This would be handy to have in a vehicle. It's a direct drive motor with a 12 volt. You connect it to your battery, and that the retail price is 150 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 120 bucks, which is saving $30 on that, and that's 20% off. Next deal is going to be on the Hallmaster 4-pack of the 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie downs. Offer a 400-pound of working load. The normal retail price on that is $12.99. And you'll be able to pick them up for 8 bucks, which is saving 38% on those. This is often an item that we see go on as a free item deal when they do those during the weekends, just so you're aware of that one. And another Hallmaster deal, it's on the 10-foot heavy-duty ratcheting tie-down. It's just one, though. The normal retail price is 7 bucks, and you'll be able to pick that up for 5 bucks, which is saving 28% on that. That is a good deal. And just so you know, this one does have a 1,000-pound working load and 3,000-pound braking strength. I got another Hallmaster deal. It's on the dual ball adjustable aluminum hitch. So you either use it to do a rise, 6-inch rise, or turn it around and do a 6-inch drop. The retail price on that is 140 bucks. and you'll be able to pick it up for 110 bucks, which is saving $30 on that, and that's 21% off. The next deal they don't have on display here at the store, but they have a tag for it, and it's on the Badland 5,000 pound rated of the 48-inch farm jack. It has a 41-inch max lift. The normal retail price on that is 90 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 68 bucks, which is saving 24% on that. It's a good deal. And they have a Doyle deal for you. It's on the 12-inch groove joint pliers. Here's the back of the package. So these retail for $14.99. You'll be able to pick them up for 10 bucks and save 33% on those. So it is a good deal, and it's a better deal than during the parking lot sale, where it was 30% off on all Doyle. Next deal is going to be on the Icon S-Jaw Quick Adjust pliers in the 12-inch ones that are normally priced at 20 bucks. And you'll be able to save 25% on those and pick them up for 15 bucks. Next up is a deal on the Pittsburgh 24-ounce ball peen hammer. It has a tempered face, and it's made of alloy steel head, and it has a hardwood handle to it. This also offers a lifetime warranty on it. The retail price on this is 8 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 6 bucks, which is saving 25% on that one. Next deal is going to be on the Pittsburgh 12-piece precision needle file set. Made of alloy steel construction, molded handles, slim body files, allows for precision cutting applications. So as you see, it has various sizes and shapes of the different files. They are kind of hard to see in this case, being black behind them. But the normal retail price is 5 bucks. And you'll be able to pick them up for 3 bucks, which is saving 40% on them. Great deal on them. And they even brought on a deal on the Icon half-inch dry professional deep socket set. It's a 13-piece set each of the SAE in metric. So the SAE is no skips from 3/8 up to 1.125 and the millimeter is also no skips from 12 millimeter up to 24 millimeter. They each retail for $60, and you'll be able to pick them up for 50 bucks each, which is saving only 16% on it though. It's not as good of a deal that they had on the 30% off of the sockets earlier this year, but it's good to see a deal on them at least. And got another Icon deal. This time it's going to be on the 3/8 9-piece of the professional triple square impact bit socket set. It does come with a storage case or storage tray that you can store them in. Here's the back of the package, and that's what the tray looks like. So the sizes that it does include is the standard triple square sizes from M4 to M12, and then the security triple square sizes MT14, 16, and 18 sizes. So the retail price on this is 40 bucks. You'll be able to pick it up for 30 bucks, which is saving 25% on that. It is a good deal. Next deal is going to be on the Central Pneumatic of the HVLP gravity feed spray gun. As a 1.4 millimeter tip size and aluminum body to that, and it sprays a basic spray pattern on it. The normal retail price on that is 17 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 10 bucks, which is saving 41% on that. It's a good deal. Next deal is going to be on the Merlin 3/8 by 50 foot retractable air hose reel. It does include the rubber air hose with it, which has a kink proof collar to it. And the retail price here at this store is 90 bucks, but based on the coupon, it does say the retail price is 100. So based on the coupon price of 100 bucks, you would be able to save $30 on that, which is 30% off, and pick it up for 70. And they brought on another deal on the Icon 400 pound rated of the 43-inch professional creeper. Has heavy duty wheels, which are 6-inch all-terrain casters. Has a padded headrest. It's easy clean vinyl. The normal retail price on that is 140 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 110 bucks, which is saving $30 on that. That's 21% off. Next deal is going to be on the Central Machinery of the 50-pound portable abrasive blaster kit. Comes with a 15-foot hose. It's rated at 12 CFM at 90 PSI. Retail price on that is 38 bucks. And you'll be able to pick it up for 28 bucks, which is saving 26% on that one. And if you're in need of a transmission jack, they have a pretty good deal on this Pittsburgh 800-pound low lift transmission jack. It offers a max height of 23 3/4 of an inch, a minimum height of 8 inches. It also has an adjustable tilt saddle to it. The normal retail price on that is 240 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 170, which is saving 29% on that. And that's 70 bucks off. It's a great deal. And another Pittsburgh deal that's going to be on the serpentine belt toolkit. Comes with those various sizes of the sockets as well as crow feet. It's an 8-piece total, and its retail price is 25 bucks. And you'll be able to save 10 bucks on that and pick it up for 15, which is 40% off. It's an excellent deal. And they brought on a few jack deals. So the first one I'm going to cover is going to be on the Pittsburgh 3-ton heavy-duty floor jack. This is a regular one. Offers a max height of 18 1/4 inch and a minimum height of 5 and an eighth inch. The normal retail price on that one is 150 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 120 bucks, which is saving $30 on that, and that's 20% off. And then the next jack is going to be on the low profile one. It has a 3 and an eighth inch clearance, offers a max height of 19 and 7 eighths, so it's a little bit taller than the other one. And the retail price on that is 170 bucks, and you'd be able to pick this up for 130, which is saving 40 bucks on that, and that's 23% off. And they even brought on a deal on the Daytona low profile Super Duty floor jack, and we don't normally see deals on these often. It's available in 5 different colors, but they only have 3 on the shelf here on display. So it offers a max height of 23 and an eighth inch and a minimum height of 3 and 3/4 of an inch. The retail price on that is 290 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 250 bucks, which is saving 40 bucks on that, but it is only 14% off. Again, we don't normally see big discounts on these jacks. And they even have decent savings on the Maddox OBD2 code reader. It's going to be the MR5 with the 1.8 inch screen. The normal retail price on this one is 45 bucks, and you'll be able to save 10 bucks on that, pick it up for 35, which is saving 22% on that one. Next deal is going to be on the Predator, or the 43cc 2-stroke gas-powered cultivator. It has a 6-inch max tilling depth, 7-inch durable wheels, and it's 4-inch to 9-inch tilling width. It's a compact and lightweight design. Retail price on that is 250 bucks. And you'll be able to save $50 on that, which is 20% off, and pick it up for 200. And they even brought on a deal again on the 2 horsepower Predator 52cc gas earth auger. Comes with a 6-inch auger bit. The normal retail price on that is 230 bucks. And you will be able to pick it up for 190 bucks, which is saving $40 on that, but it is only 17% off. And just so you're aware, in case you missed my Home Depot video, the last one I did in the store, they have the Ryobi 40 volt auger on clearance with the 4 amp battery and charger for 230 bucks. So it might be worth checking your store and see if they happen to have that same clearance deal or not, because the auger with the battery kit is normally priced at around 500 bucks. So it was an excellent deal on that auger, which I happen to have. I definitely recommend that one over the Predator one, because I've also had the Predator one in the past, and it only lasted 1 year. Next deal is going to be on our Braun light, which is going to be the Braun 200 lumen pen light. It is nice and compact, has a little pocket clip there, and it runs on 2 AAA batteries, runtime of up to 5 hours, a range up to 250 feet. And sometimes it's nice to have a decent light that's not as bright as others, but still offers a good amount of light, especially have it in a compact form like this. And at such a cheap price too, because it's normally retails at 8 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for 5 bucks, which is saving 37% on that. So it is a good deal, especially compared to a previous parking lot sale where they did have them at 40% off on all Braun lights, so still good savings at 37% off. Next up is decent savings on this Vanguard 25-foot. It's a 12 gauge indoor and outdoor contractor grade extension cord. It does have 3 outlets to the end of there. It also lights up. That indicates that there is power to the cord. It's rated for heavy duty use, so you could power different power tools with it, being the 12 gauge wire. That's going to be one of the thickest wires you can go with, and it's definitely recommended for powering those heavy duty power tools, especially table saws. So the normal retail price on this is 27 bucks, and you'll actually be able to save 25% on that and pick it up for $20. So it is a good deal, because we don't normally see great deals on extension cords. It's normally like this other one here, it's only 10% off, which I'm not even going to mention in this video. All right, that's going to be the top deals I'm going to cover in this video for the super coupons. Again, you do have until July 19th to capture these deals. And if you did get any value from it, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.